We called the city to come out because we got a broken water main in the middle of our park. It's hard to see. It's running all the way around. That's all we got. Okay. Oh man, this is all in Rogues area where we play. You see all the silt kicking up? Look at this. Look at that. Running. Oh, what? Okay. Here. There we go. You see that little spot? And over here. That's the worst. Close up on the light a bit. There we go. Right in the middle of our park. Sounds nice. Sounds like a waterfall. And there's going to be little drowned mice. Oh, I just went in.